Racing just is started. We have Storm break quickly to start. Peter's Denial, Waldes Furies down the inside. Winning how it Blue Collar Boy comes next. Most unbelievable squeeze comes next. Royalty Gracious House. Then comes Ninjitsu. Next online is Dugo's Charm. While Dreamworks is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Peter's Denial now takes command by about half length, while this Fury is down on the inside, and on the outside third comes Blue Collar Boy. Storm is racing in fourth. Most unbelievable squeeze comes next. Royal Keys running by the rail. Winning Habit comes next. Gracious House, Ninjitsu, Dugo's Charm, while Dreamworks is still racing in less. And at the far turn we have Peter's Denial by about 3 lengths, and in second is Waldes Fury. Blue Collar Boy Storm, then moving up on the outside is Most Unbelievable, and Diana entering the home stretch. We have Peter's Denial by only a length and a half, while this Fury is running by the rail second. Last 100 meters, we have Peter's Denial followed by Waldes Fury by the rail. Peter's Denial, Waldes Fury is down on the inside, and it's a close finish. Peter's Denial, Waldes Fury, then comes Winning Habit, Ninjitsu, Gracious House, and Royalty.
Royalty? Close finish pa rin.